So with the 7 billion people on the planet, what does it take to find your person in the universe? Is it the perfect collision of molecules in time and space? The star charts mapping out your destiny? Or just one night out on dirty 6th Street? So many nights ago, in the midst of fog machines and club music, these two souls found each other.
One wild night, Brandon and I were out in the town, and we met Rosa through some mutual friends.
From the moment I met you unexpectedly 17 years ago, I knew you were someone special. Your happy, thoughtful, caring, and intelligent nature drew me to you. And your comedic personality, kind heart, beautiful blue eyes, and an infectious smile kept me close.
We were instantly inseparable and spent every day having fun, completely in denial of the fact that you would soon be traveling back to Hawaii for school.
There was literally an ocean between them. Brandon was here in Austin building his career, and Rosa was in Hawaii finishing college. After she graduated, they quickly found that they couldn't live without one another. And Rosa moved back to Austin, and they began establishing their roots.
Erica invites me over. She says, let's go do like a psychic reading.
I knew that they were going to do a reading. They went in order of two of her friends, and Rosa went last.
And then he gets to me, he said, well, do you have any questions for me? And I said, is Brandon gonna propose soon? He gives me a reading that it'll happen.
But he stopped himself and followed back up and said, you know what?
Can I revise my reading to you?
I'm feeling a different energy all of a sudden.
I think it's really possible it's gonna happen today.
They arrived at the garden. On scene was myself, her mother, her brothers and sisters. Popped the question, and it was kind of a little fairy tale moment.
It was, for me, one of the happiest days of my life.
Oh, holy shit, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
You look so good, babe.
Oh my gosh.
So good.
This is a beautiful dress, babe.
Thank you.
Get the priest out here now.
Joining you two together today brings us all so much joy and excitement.
I promise to respect you and support you through all of life's ups and downs. I promise to dream big with you and help make your dreams come true.
I love you, and I will never stop loving you. You have made me the happiest man in the world, and as time goes on, I know our love and our marriage will endure.
It is my honor and delight to declare you married. Brandon, you may now kiss your bride.
Lo and behold, the psychic was right, and now we need to go find that person and get some lottery tickets because apparently he was pretty talented.